Are you ready to break some stuff?
Yeah, man, I'm surprised you haven't already. So I'm really glad that I had the rally school here with Firm. The skills came in handy. Suspension actually did okay. It was terrifying when I got back out on the pavement because the tires were full of mud, so it shook uncontrollably. A lot of the first half of the course is like first gear, like you're mudding, but the back half I'm using third because like there's no traction in second. So it's pretty scary, but honestly, parted pretty good. Ready to drive, Grant?
Let's do it. All right, so we finished heat 1. We're moving on to heat 2. They're going to change the course up a little bit. The car is held up really good. It, it has absolutely no traction. I got stuck once off the line, as you saw. But once they cleaned it up and got rid of some of the ruts, one of the key things we've been doing is just turning in early because we're on street tires in the dirt. The car actually has pretty good grip out in the more flat pack sections. It's just a little nerve-wracking seeing the barrels out there full of water, not knowing if you're gonna have traction or not. But they're gonna change the course around, and we got 6 more runs to do between Ash and I, and hope the old girl holds together. Let's go do it. right, so we finished all 12 runs with the GTI. It made it back on the trailer. It somehow made it through the whole event. There was another Mark IV Beetle there. Didn't make it through the event, but we did.
We did.
So how do you think it went?
Well, other than I almost lost the front right tire, I think it went pretty well. I'm honestly stunned that we didn't have more parts fall off. I know we lost part of a fender liner,
Yeah.
an entire
I saw that. I'm like,
liner.
whose is that? And I ran it over.
Yeah, whose car is parts falling off of it? Totally was ours. So yeah, we lost some plastic out from under it. No big deal. That skid plate, the Panzer plate, really did a great job protecting the car. I definitely think the engine mounts have suffered some. It feels a little shakier than it was, and we're gonna have to clean that air filter again and hose everything
the engine
off.
bay is filled with dirt.
Yeah, but all in all, like the seats and the harnesses all did great. That auto power roll bar that Buck put in for us from Lucky Buck Fab, that was spot on. Really nice to have the harnesses in there and not feel like we're gonna fall out of the car.
Yeah, we zip tied the e-brake, and that actually really helped. We were able to just pull it quickly and whip around some of the turns.
Yeah, we defeated the little button so it wouldn't stay ratcheted up, because that would have been an issue. It's very difficult in the car to think about anything, so remembering to like put the e-brake back down with the button would have been hard, which is why we defeated the button.
Yeah, I attempted to heel toe one time, and I'm like, I'm doing way too many things, trying to focus on not crash the car.
Mostly I just slapped the steering wheel and then flailed at the pedals and cried, and then that's how I got around the course.
Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Smash that like button.